Salle Holy Cross College is a faith-based school that puts our children at the centre of everything we do.
From grade RR to grade 12, we are one college with a shared vision and a clear direction, which is embedded in a closely knit community, which is unique to our school.
We're equipping our children to interact effectively with the 21st century, to be motivated to give of their best, and to be first that they may be of service.
It really is about that personal touch. If you bring your child to a school, you want someone to know your child, you want someone to be in contact with you, you want open communication channels, and you want your child to be valued and their story to be shared.
As a leading independent co-educational Catholic school in Johannesburg, we follow the Independent Examination Board syllabus. Our tuition is from grade RR to matric in 3 phases, with bespoke offerings and campus structures suited to the needs of these very different developmental ages.
One of the critical things about our junior school is creating a sense of welcome and belonging for children that come to us.
Our junior school is an environment where curiosity is sparked, children discover for themselves, and the motivation to inquire and learn becomes intrinsic.
Our grade 7s move across to the high school campus, where they have their own junior high department. And we have found that this model offers a supportive bridge between the comfort of junior school and the exciting demands of high school.
Our pupils are taught and nurtured in a way that is relevant to these challenging but exhilarating years.
The senior high of our college is consistently in the top national IB rankings.
We nurture excellence, leadership, creativity, and individuality to facilitate their personal development into adulthood. We value more than just our academic results. The spiritual, social, moral, physical, and emotional development of our children are all prioritized.
You have to really meet the needs of children before you can even start to educate them.
While our faith is the central pillar of support, our wellness center and on-campus support teams continue to grow. Various types of learner support, counseling, therapies for children and their families are freely available. Year-round, our college is a hive of sporting and co-curricular activity. We offer specialized coaching, ensuring our teams are competitive at an inter-school level. Our diverse and multidisciplinary arts and culture program provides ample opportunity to shine.
The community spirit and the interaction amongst all stakeholders at the college is at the heart of all that we do.
Our college is blessed with the richness of its deeply committed staff, parents, pupils, and alumni, working together to uphold our Catholic ethos and core values.
The opportunities that De La Salle Holy Cross College has to offer are exciting, they're relevant, and they're diverse. And we would like to share these experiences with families who are drawn towards a faith-based and child-centered learning environment.
We look forward to welcoming new families into the De La Salle Holy Cross College community and discovering more opportunities to provide not only excellent but relevant, holistic and meaningful education for the children entrusted to our care.